Very good morning, students. Let us start with the new chapter, chapter number 8, Civil Disobedience Movement. In this topic, part 1, we are going to talk about demands put forth by Gandhiji to the British government, background of Salt Satyagraha, Dandi Yatra, also known as Dandi March. Civil disobedience movement started all over the country, round table conference. Now, what demands were put forth by the Gandhiji? Let's see. To cancel salt tax, to end the monopoly. Monopoly means they had controlled over the industries of salt. So, who had the monopoly? Who had the control? Government. British government had the control. So, what did Gandhiji demanded? First, to cancel this, and second, to end the control. Background of Salt Satyagraha. Gandhiji decided to launch civil disobedience movement as his demands were rejected by the British government. It was unjust to impose a tax on salt as it is important ingredient in the food of common man. So why he wanted to cancel the tax on salt? It is because day to day necessity. We put salt in every food product. It is important ingredient. And that is the reason it should not charge the tax. So that is why he wanted to launch a satyagraha by violation of Salt Act. It was symbolic act, but real objective behind was it to break all the unjust and oppressive laws of the British through the peaceful means. So he don't wanted to have violation, to harm someone and injure someone. He just wanted to have in simple and a peaceful way to cancel the tax of the salt. Dandi Yatra or Dandi March. So Gandhiji selected Dandi, a seashore in Gujarat, to begin a salt satyagraha. Now, have you seen salt pans? Now, when you go through Vasai station while going through train, you see salt pans. So those are salt pans where the salt is taken out, and seashore. At the seashore most probably. So Gandhiji selected Dandi. It's a seashore in Gujarat. It's a seashore in Gujarat to begin the salt satyagraha. So he began there on 12th March 1930. He set out from Sabarmati Ashram with his 78 followers. So from where did he left? From Sabarmati Ashram on 12th March 1930. Gandhiji delivered speeches in the villages on his way to Dandi. So while going, it was a walking procession. He did not use any vehicle to go through Dandi. He made it walking procession. So while going to that villages, he delivered speeches. He appealed to the people to be fearless and join the movement. So he requested people, he told them, be fear and join the movement. After covering distance of 385 kilometers, Gandhiji reached Dandi on 5th April 1930. So after covering the distance of 385 kilometers, he reached Dandi, that is a seashore in Gujarat, on 5th April. And on 6th April 1930, Gandhiji broke the Salt Act by picking up the salt on the seashore. So he picked up the salt and he broke the Salt Act. Now these are the small satyagrahas. Everywhere it started. Civil disobedience means not to obey. Disobedience means not to obey the government. And where it all started? Peshawar Satyagraha. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, known as Frontier Gandhi and founder of Khudai Khidmatgar, began Satyagraha at Peshawar on 23rd April 1930. So, taking inspiration from Gandhiji, everyone got inspired all over the country, and small satyagrahas they started. Chandra Singh Thakur of Garhwal Regiment is a force of Indian Army. एक ग्रुप है, यहाँ में उसका रेजिमेंट मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल अफगानिस्तान में रेजिमेंट होना, उसका अपॉइंटमेंट होना. So this is Garhwal Regiment. He was appointed there. He refused to fire on the satyagrahis when the satyagraha was going on. When the procession, so someone his order, an officer ordered him to fire on the satyagrahis, but he refused. He did not obey to his orders, and that is why he was court-martial and severely punished. Court-martial means there is a court for the army, so he was being removed from the army. Sena se nikal dena. So he was court-martial and severely punished. Solapur Satyagraha. The mill workers in Solapur observed Hartal and organized a huge procession on 6th May 1930. The district collector gave orders on firing, which many volunteers, including Shankar Shivdare, died. People attacked railway stations, police stations, courts, and municipal buildings. Martial law means that is army. Government army law was being passed to suppress this agitation. Means people became more aggressive. They started violation, and that is the reason finally this act was passed, that is martial law, to stop this all. Malabba Dhanshetty, Sri Krishna Sarda, Kurba Hussain, and Jagannath Shinde were hanged. So they were killed, they were hanged to death. Fasi Lagna. Darsana Satyagraha. After the arrest of Gandhiji on 4th May 1930, Gandhiji was arrested on 4th May. Sarojini Naidu led the salt satyagraha in Darsana in Gujarat. Satyagraha silently tolerated the blows of lathi in the batches and endlessly. So satyagraha means those satyagraha करने वाले उसे सत्याग्रही कहते हैं. So they silently उन्होंने बर्दाश्त किया. They tolerated the blow of lathi in the batches. Batches means उसके batches किए गए थे. They had made the batches. So one batch injured होता था तो दूसरा batch तैयार होता था to fight against. So they accepted this endlessly. Satyagraha in Maharashtra. Salt Satyagraha took place at Vadala, Malvan and Shiroda. These places also salt Satyagraha began. Jungle Satyagraha, where there were no salt plants, forest laws were broken. Tribals took part in Satyagraha in large numbers. In Maharashtra, Jungle Satyagraha took place at Bilashi, Sangammanar, Kelwan, Chirnar and Pushad. So these places, tribal area means Adivasi mountainous areas, they're all forest areas most probably. Also the Satyagrahis got involved in it. Sacrifice of Bapu Genu. Now who was Bapu Genu? He made a great sacrifice. A vehicle transporting foreign goods were obstructed in Mumbai. So एक व्हीकल ऐसा जा रहा था वो फॉरेन गुड्स कैरी कर रहा था एंड वी हैव डिसाइडेड 4 programs that is स्वदेशी बॉयकॉट एंड ऑल. सो हियर ऑल्सो व्हेन दे वर कैरिंग फॉरेन गुड्स बापू गेनू सेट द फोरफ्रंट इन दिस मूवमेंट. सो ही वॉज वन ऑफ द लीड पर्सन इन द मूवमेंट टू स्टॉप द ट्रक को रोकने के लिए. ही लाइट डाउन ऑन द रोड. वो रोड पे सो गए. दे लाइट डाउन ऑन द रोड. हिज सैक्रिफाइस वॉज इंस्पिरेशनल टू द फ्रीडम मूवमेंट. सो एवरीवन वॉज रियली इंस्पायर्ड विद द सैक्रिफाइस. हु वॉज ही? बापू गेनू. Babu Genu, he sacrificed his life. Next comes Round Table Conference. The Prime Minister, British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald wanted to discuss constitutional issues related to India. So he wanted to discuss about what are the issues, what people want, उनकी क्या डिमांड है, क्या रिक्वेस्ट है. So he wanted to listen. Who? Prime Minister, British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald. For this purpose, he organized a conference at London known as Round Table Conference. So एक conference बिठाया गया which was held in London. 3 round table conferences were held between 1930 to 1932. So who was the person? British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald. He wanted to discuss about the issues of country. So he set up a conference at London known as Round Table Conference. 3 round table conferences were held between 1932 and 32. I hope this part is clear to you students. Remaining part will be continuing in the next lecture. Thank you. Stay safe. Solve the assignment.